Hi, I'm Ellie and welcome back to Tech Tricks channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a reservation system in Google Sheets. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to manage a reservation for your business or organization, this video will help you a lot. Let's see. Alright, I want to create this hotel booking form, which includes several fields. When I fill all the fields and click the Submit button, all data will be saved in a Google Sheets. Okay, let's start. I have a spreadsheet and I rename it to Booking Form. And I call the active sheet Booking Form here. Now I type headers that are supposed to be placed inside the booking form as titles: full name, email, phone number, room number, check-in date, checkout date, number of adults, number of children, and comment. You can add any other titles that you think are required. Now I add some formatting and change the background color, font style, and size. Alright, everything seems good. Now let's type the code. So I go to the Extensions tab and then Apps script. First, I need an HTML file. So I click on this plus sign and HTML. I call it index. Alright, I type the code and then explain it to you line by line. This is the code. These lines declare the document type as HTML5 and define the start of the HTML document. These lines are part of the head section of the HTML document. The title element sets the title of the web page displayed in the browser's title bar. The style section contains CSS code that defines the appearance of various elements used in the document. The provided code for CSS style defines the styling rules for HTML elements used in the web page. The body section sets the font family, the background color, which is a light gray, removes the margin around the body element, and adds 20 pixels of padding around the body element. For headers, the color is dark gray and centers the text. For the form section, set the maximum width of 400 pixels. Centers the form horizontally using zero margin. Sets the background color to white. Adds 20 pixels of padding around the form. Applies the border radius of 5 pixels to give rounded corners. And adds a box shadow to create a subtle shadow effect. Now for labels. Sets the display to block, which makes each label appear on a separate line. Sets the font width to bold. Adds a margin of 10 pixels at the bottom. And sets the color to black. Now for inputs and text area. Set the width to 100% to make them occupy the entire available space. Adds 8 pixels of padding. Applies a 1 pixel solid border with a light gray shade. Gives them a border radius of 4 pixels to make the corners rounded. Also uses box sizing, which border box to include padding and border in the specified width. Adds a margin of 10 pixels at the bottom and adds a vertical response handle to the text area and sets the height to 80 pixels. And these are the style of select and inputs. Now the form section. These codes create a form with various input fields to gather information for booking a room. It contains name, email, phone number, a drop-down list for room number, calendar for check-in and check-out dates, number fields for adults and children, and comment. Except comment field, all fields are required and the user must fill it and then submit the form. And at the end, a button to submit the form. Now this code is a script that performs some actions related to form submission and handling. In summary, this script defines two functions: prevent form submit, to prevent the default form submission behavior, and handle form submit, to handle the form submission by calling a server-side function and resetting the form. These functions are triggered when the page finishes loading and when the form is submitted, respectively. Now in the code file, the first part is like the main page of the website. When someone visits the website, this function decides what to show them. It uses index file, which contains this style, to create the main page of the website. The second part helps in adding extra parts to the main page. It takes another file and adds its content to the main page. This way you can have different sections or features on your website. The third part is used when someone fills out a form on the website to book a room. It takes the information from the form and stores it in the Google Sheet document. And you should replace here your Google Sheets URL and sheet name. So when someone submits the form, the code adds a new row to the Google Sheet document with all the information from the form. Overall, this code helps in creating a website where people can book rooms and stores their information in a Google Sheet document. Now I click on Save icon and Run. Now I follow the steps. Alright, I go to the index file, click on Deploy, New Deployment. And I change who has access to anyone. And deploy. Now when I click on the created URL, you will see the form. Okay, let's check the form. I fill all the fields. I click on Book Now. As you can see, the form submitted and the form resetted. Let's check the Google Sheets. As you can see, the data stores in the sheet. Let's test another one. Now click on this video to improve your skills in Google Sheets and become an advanced user. If you have any question, ask me in the comments and I will answer all of them. Do you like this video? Please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.